Many Agile teams face a common challenge: scattered data across various systems, such as Azure DevOps, ADO, and Jira, which creates information silos, slows down planning, and makes it difficult to achieve a unified view of progress. Today, we'll walk you through a whiteboard showcasing how ConnectALL can easily bridge these systems, creating a unified ecosystem where all teams have access to real-time, accurate information. Here we have multiple teams across the organization, each using their own Jira instance to track development work. Some of these teams have unique fields, and each instance is slightly different, adding complexity. We even have teams working in ADO, which has its own set of unique fields. And here we have Rally, with teams working here as well, but also our release train engineers, and some of these teams working successfully already at scale. Each team loves their own tool and is working well. They don't want to change anything, and we don't want to halt progress. But this creates a big visibility and normalization problem. When leadership needs a complete view of progress, things get complicated and frustrating. Each instance holds pieces of the information, but there's no standardized way to compile it. So each team members are stuck manually reconciling and consolidating information across tools and creating reports. Now leadership is frustrated because these reporting errors undermine their ability to make informed decisions, and misaligned data from multiple instances makes it difficult to track progress and understand bottlenecks in real time. And what do we tell the customers and stakeholders who are demanding progress? Are we even working on the right things? We can't see through the clouds, and they only seem to grow. Wouldn't it be easier if we could see through these clouds with automation? Wouldn't it be great to have full visibility into the life cycle with feedback loops? This is how ConnectALL brings the sunshine and seamlessly eliminates your pain. This means that we can create real-time data synchronization between all the disparate systems and even normalize the information so everyone is speaking the same language: progress. Using Rally as the normalization point, you get a holistic view of metrics such as flow, throughput, predictability, and capacity planning at scale. Now leadership is happy because they get the clarity they need to make timely decisions and align strategic initiatives. Teams can focus on productive engineering work, not on manual data entry and report reconciliation. And the customer is happy too, because we're delivering exactly what they need. ConnectALL provides an end-to-end automated solution that transforms disparate data from multiple Jira instances and ADO into meaningful insights within Rally. Everyone is on the same page, bottlenecks are easier to identify, and strategic decisions are supported with accurate information, saving you both time and money. Want to see the impact for yourself? Use the link or the QR code to map out your value streams and uncover where automation and ConnectALL can unlock even more efficiency for your teams.